Hi and welcome to Punica Web. In today's video, I will show you how to use Copy to Computer Google Lens feature. For this, you need to have the latest version of Google Chrome as well as the standalone Google Lens app on your Android phone. Both devices must be signed into the same Google account. Begin by navigating to your Pixel's Google Search app and tap the Google Lens icon. Point your Pixel's camera at the text you want to copy. Alternatively, you can select an image from the gallery. Google Lens will automatically detect and highlight the text. If needed, manually adjust the selection using the on-screen tools. Now, tap on the three dots and select Copy to Computer option. A list of connected devices will appear. Select the computer where you want to copy the text. You will receive a notification on your computer confirming the copied text. Open your desired application and simply paste. So no more juggling between phone and computer for lengthy text. See you soon with more such helpful content on Google Pixel.